Hey everybody, Aaron Lapine here from Martin Motorsports in Kelowna. We're out on the water in Okanagan Lake with a 2021 Supra SR 400. This is Supra's premium 21-foot surf boat that is highly versatile. And if you give us a moment of your time, we'll take you out. We're going to show you everything that this thing can do. In this 21-footer, as you can see, I'm about 6 foot tall. I'm up in the bow, and there's plenty of space up here for a couple people, a couple adults, very comfortably. It is a playpen style bow, but this center cushion is removable. So you do have the option of just simply popping this out if you want to have the kids, keep their feet on the floor for safety. The other thing to call out that we're up here is you can see how high the backrests are up here. So, again, you never feel compromised. It's very safe and secure feeling, and you have that versatility with the center cushion, whether you want it to be a playpen style or this walk-through style. All right, so no great premium surf boat isn't complete without a great surf wave, obviously. We filled the ballast in this SR. It has 3,300 pounds of factory ballast in it. We've got the preset here. We just basically chose surf left. We activated that. One thing to note on this, on all Supras, is they come standard with the G6 ballast. So it is twin pump, so it's a fast fill ballast system. So you're not waiting all morning to fill your ballast or drain or to adjust anything. But let's take off. We've got it on surf left. We'll take off and bring this up to 10.8 and show you the wake. The great things about this 21-foot surf boat is its capabilities for multi-sport. In saying that, sometimes somebody wants to go for a ski. Supra already has a ski profile programmed into the boat. So we're going to come into our rider profile page, and just as simple as we select ski, it's going to give us a preset of 32 miles per hour. Smart plate, which is our center plate, will be deployed to 50%. It's even going to tune our stereo, and this is preset from factory to maximize our audio experience in here at that speed, given into consideration wind and engine noise. So pretty remarkable, but let's activate that. Plates are gonna set, and we're gonna bring this up to 32 miles an hour, and we'll show you the wake. All right, hang on tight, we're gonna take off. This boat is optioned with the Raptor 6.2 liter, the Raptor 400. So that's 404 foot-pounds of torque. So that's gonna pull this 21-footer out of the water very quickly. So hang on, here we go. Just as you can imagine, you're pulling up your skier, maybe they're 200 pounds, no problem. But here we go, we'll take off and get up to speed. All right, thank you for spending some time with us on the water with this 2021 Supra SR. As you can see, this thing is a blast to drive. It handles on rails. It is so much fun. I think a lot of times as the boats are getting bigger and bigger on the water, we lose sight of that ride and drive, which is so important, especially when you're out on the water all day with your family. You want something that is intuitive and fun to drive. So any questions on any of the Supra products, feel free to reach out to myself, Aaron Lapine, at the Martin Motorsports Kelowna location, or any of our product specialists at any of our stores across the country: Saskatoon, Edmonton, Calgary, and Kelowna.